Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction out by the May Pen Roundabout. Now straight ahead to the right, that's Highway 2000. To the left, that's the May Pen bypass. And where you see the cars going around, that's what's left of the May Pen Roundabout. Now the entire roundabout is going to be removed. Where you see the asphalt, the black asphalt, that's where the new section of the May Pen to Mandeville Highway starts. So Highway 2000, okay, straight ahead to the right, that road coming down, we're going to zoom in, that's Highway 2000. Now that highway is going straight down, so they are removing the roundabout. The roundabout was temporary to allow, because the highway ended at the roundabout, but the highway is being extended to Mandeville now. So they are going to remove the roundabout, and they're in the process of doing it. So once you come off the highway, you'll go straight. You won't even realize that the highway once ended there. So we're going to show you, this is the May Pen bypass now. This is the old bridge, or the main road. This is the existing bridge. They built a new bridge on the other side, the Rio Mina Bridge. So if you're not using the highway, this is the road you would use, and you'd come up to where the roundabout used to be and keep left and go on your way. You won't be able to access the highway from here. The roundabout is going to be taken out. There is a major interchange being built by Glenmuir Road. That's where you get on the highway. So right here is where you used to get on the highway, but because they are extending the highway now, they have closed this entrance. So this is what's left of the roundabout, but it's going to be totally removed once the highway is opened at the end of August. All right, so go left, that's where you used to get on the highway, and we're going right around to show you what's going on. All right, so the new section of the highway from May Pen to Mandeville will be opened in August, which is 3 weeks from now, and you'll get on the highway in Kingston and go straight to Mandeville. No more, this roundabout will be totally removed. So what you see here is just temporary as they join both sections of the highway. So where we're going now is the existing highway that's operational, up and running. They're joining it to the new section that comes over from the Rio Mina Bridge. And everything is on track. They should finish by the end of August. All right, guys, we're now heading to the May Pen Toll Plaza, and this is Highway 2000. This is a 4-lane dual carriageway. What you see here are these plastic cones or barricades. It's just temporary because they're in the process of joining both ends of the highway. So once everything is finished, this is what the highway will look like going all the way to Mandeville. All right, guys, leave your comments in the section below, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. We will give you weekly updates on this project until the end of August when it's opened. And we actually have videos up of driving on the highway, so check it out. And also check out our other channel, Driving in Jamaica. We have videos up on both channels of driving on the new section of the highway from May Pen to Mandeville. All right, guys, have a good day.